we have the Ninja. So I'm just going to show you the different temperatures situations on the two different ovens. 270 on the center of the Ninja stone, the New York setting on pizza New York setting, and for the Koda 16 it's on low as it can go, and it's too high. See, it's on 430. I've got on low as it can go. This is going in. Seven minutes and 52 seconds, 245 degrees Celsius. Now we are doing the Koda 16, and the stone is far too hot, but I'm worried about the stone being far too hot on the Koda 16. I'm going to try and get this in as close to this edge as possible. Actually, I'm going to maneuver off my peel there on the side, so it goes to the side, the coldest part there. I think that's the best I'm going to do. Yeah. But it's on low as you go, low. It's about 350 there. I'm not touching the Ninja until it's ready. I think this is a trial run. Wow, it's really puffing up. Cooking nicely, but I'm not sure if it's cooking the same way as a New York pizza style pizza should be cooking, but it looks good for a general pizza. I like the way the cheese is cooking. That looks good. So basically, if I didn't have that bubble on that side, it would be okay. So I just have to leave it cook very, very low, because that stone is nowhere near cooking the pizza, because it's on a low pizza stone cook like that one there. So I've got to keep it in, keep turning it, but don't pull it out until it's had all of its pizza stone cooked. Without burning the top, without burning the crust. On the lowest setting in the Koda 16, on the New York setting in the Ninja, and I'm really not sure how this is going to come out, to be honest. looks, you know, as cooked probably as bread dough will be cooked. I think it's come out all right. Okay, that's the Koda 16. We're going to get the Ninja one soon. I've just not checked on it at all. I haven't turned it or anything. I'm just relying on it to be doing its business and stuff in there. It's got 3 seconds left. Da-da-da. Done. A very, very good job. I'm very pleased with that because it's come out good and I haven't turned it and it hasn't burnt as much. So both 200-gram dough balls, both got the same cheese, tomato, dough made at the same time. Everything's the same apart from that's cooked in the Koda 16 with the gas flame on the lowest setting, and I took the heat out of the stone just to make sure it didn't burn. So that was at 360 degrees Celsius on the stone. This one was at 245 degrees Celsius. I don't think this recipe does the base cook like a Neapolitan, if I'm right, because they both come out the same in that respect. So these are New York style pizzas with New York pizza style dough that I used. The recipe is here. This is my homemade New York style pizza dough. Now I'm going to chop them up and give them a taste test. So here we have it, the Koda 16 New York style pizza and the Ninja style New York pizza. Let's cut them up. Crispy crust. The base is cooked, but it doesn't look it, but it is. Very nice. So that's the Koda 16. Koda's got a nice crust there. See that crust? I like that, very good. The base again looks like that, and the crust is more like that on the Koda. I'm very interested in the base cooks. It's got that base, so. Now, move on to the Ninja. So let's cut this one up. Gosh, this is super crunchy. I've got to really press down hard to cut this one. Okay, let's check this one out. Right, same base. I've certainly got a crusty crust. But look at that. That's cooked up really nicely. Let's try this slice of pizza. Very nice. This dough base from the Ninja, cooked for 8 minutes. Has some browning on there, if you can see it. I honestly think with some practice I might be able to get it a lot thinner. I do like this tasting pizza. It is nice. I think the top came out better with the Ninja. I need to do more work with the getting a thinner pizza. Yeah. So very, very nice pizza. Overall, I think they both did a good job. The toppings didn't overcook on that one, and it was a faster cook. I didn't even go in and turn it. It just did everything for me. Other than my execution of like having not so thin dough, I think the ovens did a really good job. I'm happy with both. Well done, ovens. And I will try and better my New York pizza style dough thinness. Yeah, my family are going to eat these up now. I can't eat all this now, so they're going to help me eat. I'll probably just have the one slice there, one slice there, and they'll eat the rest because they do like New York style pizza, and they'll probably judge me as well on it, which is good. Oh, I've just filmed this video realizing that there's a little button on this DJI Pocket that you can use to go up and down. What do you think?
Nice.
Okay. What's your favourite?
Pretty much the same.
Same, yeah, that's what I came out as well. There you are. There you've got it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.